What if I told you that you can make a huge difference in your customer satisfaction and workflow automation with personalized quotations that give your clients accurate and customized estimates right as they request them? In this video, you will learn exactly how you can build an online quote form that automatically calculates the price based on your client's preferences. So hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Okay, so let's dive right in. Let's open our dashboard and use this ready to customize template. From here, you can add your logo and background image or customize the colors for your brand. And then start adding any field that you want to use in your form, such as name, address, email, etc. You can also remove any fields that you want by simply clicking on it. Here you can also add some information about your service or company in the description after the title, for example. Okay, great! Now let's say that you want to collect data from your customer based on different categories. You can do so by using a single choice field or a drop-down field and add your options as the possible answers. And here in the Logic tab, you can show or hide the next fields on your form. As you can see, we have created two options for the type of insurance. Option 1 personal, option 2 company. So for your question, let's add this condition. If the type field is option 1, personal, then show the client name and client address fields. This means that by default, the company name and company address fields are hidden. But if the user chooses option 1, personal, as the insurance type, they will get visible automatically. And add another condition. If the type is option 2, company, then show the company name, and this means that by default, the client name and client address fields are hidden, but if the user chooses option 2 company as the insurance type, they will get visible automatically. This way, your users or agents can fill out your form faster and easier. Now let's kick this up a notch by adding variable fields and formulas to calculate the total estimated cost. Let's calculate the insurance cost for the user based on the choices they make in the form. This template has a section field in which it shows the calculated total cost, the estimated cost of insurance, discounts, tax, and finally, the total payable amount. Let me show you how it works. There's a number field for entering the estimated cost of insurance and one for the discounts. As the agent types in these fields, this variable field calculates the net cost, which is cost minus discounts. And the cost and discounts that you see in this formula are the IDs of the estimated cost of insurance and discounts fields that your agent fills inside the form. IDs are unique identifiers of fields and help you call the field's value in formulas and also in answer piping. So far, as the agent types in the form and enters a value for cost and another value for discount, the net cost variable automatically calculates the net cost. Now let's calculate the tax. The template has another variable field for it, and the variable's formula is 10% of the net cost. As you see in the formula, it's calculating 10 multiplied by cost and divided by 100. Finally, to calculate the total payable price, we have another variable with the formula of net plus tax. And voila! Your form is calculating the total payable price as your user types into the form. Now let's see how you can show these values in the form so that your user can see them too. Answer piping helps you with that. Just put the ID of your field in double braces and it will automatically show the field's value there. As I showed you before, this template has a section field in which it shows the calculated total cost, and it uses answer piping to pipe the field's values. As you see, cost is the ID of the number field called estimated cost of insurance, and tax is the ID of the variable field called payable tax. And that's it! We have created a quotation form in just a few clicks. Now you can create your forms yourself. Hopefully these tips and tricks helped you and you'll start to create forms that are more engaging, personalized, and efficient. So go on, sign up for free at formaloo.com and start boosting your audience engagement and grow even faster. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends. Happy formalooing!